everybody, and welcome back to Tasty Home Cooking. In this video, we'll be making delicious rice pudding. This recipe is easy and simple and only has 3 ingredients. Eğer Türkçe subtitle isterseniz lütfen düğmeye basın çünkü sizin için Türkçe'ye çevirdik. Now let's get started with this delicious recipe. Here are all the ingredients. Turn on your stove to medium temperature. Add rice into the pot. Add water to the pot. Mix with a whisk. You want to continue stirring until the rice absorbs the water and is stretchy. Once the rice is at this texture, we can add the next ingredient. Add milk into the pot. Continue mixing with a whisk. We want to continue mixing with a whisk until it comes to a boil. This is because if you don't mix, the rice will stick to the pot. Once it comes to a boil, add your sugar. Stir. You can add vanilla sugar for more flavor. This is optional. And you're finished. To decorate, we use cinnamon and almonds. You can use anything you would like, for example, hazelnuts or walnuts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. Enjoy!